victory over death. O death, where is thy sting? 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 55. Death is the most democratic experience in life, for we all participate in it. We think of its happening only to other people. We don't like to grow old and we don't like to die. The Bible teaches that death is an enemy of man and God. But it also teaches that this enemy, death, will ultimately be destroyed forever. That in fact it has already been defeated at the cross and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Death, for a Christian, brings permanent freedom from evil. It also means the believer will be like Jesus. We shall be like Christ in love. So much of self is involved in what we do here. But one day, in Christ, we will have perfect love. What a glorious time it will be when we get to heaven. Prayer for the day. Jesus, your victory over death comforts my heart and fills me with hope.